Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Microsoft Store 0x800 error code, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and open up Microsoft Store, and what you want to do is once it is open, go ahead and click Control, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time, or just open up the Windows taskbar and just type in Task Manager. But anyways, once it is open, what you want to do is you want to look for Microsoft Store and then right click on it, and what you want to do is basically hit end task, and this is a way to kind of restart the app. You can go ahead and X out of Task Manager as well, and once you do this you can go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store again and check to see if the issue has been fixed. And once you do that, you can go ahead and obviously check to see if the issue has been fixed. But other than that, the second method you guys can do is simply restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by unplugging all of the wires out of the router, waiting about 30 seconds to a minute, and plugging them back in. And I recommend once you restart your router, go ahead and restart your PC as well, and yeah, you should be good to go. The third method you guys can do is go ahead and just update Windows. If there are any update for your Windows PC, go over the settings and just update it, and then you should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.